A new life in a new way, where a bird discovers this day. Hey, wanna play together? Sure. It's like we're found inside a thing. When a bird is very nice, they drink water together. Always. Always together. You don't know anything. Our destiny begins, and only the raccoons believe it. We can defeat the highest score. Only one can do it. What do you think now? Yeah. A Destiny of a Bird, coming on July 2016. Centera Studios.